everybody, my name is Kaylee. I'm a health fitness specialist at Corporate Fitness Works, and today we're talking about upper body foam rolling. So the first week in this series, we talked about which foam roller is best for beginners, intermediates, advanced, what foam roller is best for which part of the body, etc. Last week we talked about lower body foam rolling, and this week we're talking about upper body foam rolling. So lower body foam rolling is very it is what it is. The muscles are larger, there's less of them, and that was a very simple video for everybody to follow along with. Upper body foam rolling is going to be a little more subjective. I'm definitely going to give you some ideas, some go-tos, and get your whole upper body foam rolled, but it also has to do a lot with how you're feeling and what feels best with your body. So I'll kind of talk through that. So I have two foam rollers. I have my one that I've been using, regular foam roller, ridged but soft, and then I also have a ball foam roller. This one has some ridges on it, if you can see. By no means do you need a ball, do you need one with ridges? That's just what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. You can also use a tennis ball if you don't have a specific foam rolling ball. So we're going to start with our back, then work to our neck, do some deltoids or the side of our upper arm, work into our lats, and do some of the back of the arm or the tricep. So our back, you want to be gentle, but you can definitely foam roll your back. So I'm going to start just in the middle of my back, right kind of below, a little bit below my shoulder blades, and kind of just raise myself off. My glutes are off the ground, and I'm just kind of really gently rolling all the way down and all the way up my back. You can move your feet in and out to get all the way up to your shoulder blades and all the way down. Again, we want to be nice and gentle with our back. Keep your chin open so there's no extra strain on your neck. And when you feel that knot, I like to stop, put my glutes down, and I just kind of arch my back a little bit. You can always place your hands behind your head if you're feeling a little bit of a neck cramp or something like that. Just give myself a nice, I feel a knot. I'm going to press back. I'm going to get back up. I'm going to start foam rolling again. Oh, let's say here's another knot. You put your glutes down. You stretch a little bit into it. Just like we did in the leg. If you felt a knot, you pressed into it. But you want to be really careful with your back. So our back is nice and rolled out. We did the whole thing. We stopped with our knots. We did gentle bends backward. Again, whatever's feeling good for your body. We're going to move on to the neck. So we're going to lay down, place this right below our neck. And I like to just do some gentle side to side motions. And then kind of tip my chin in and out. Your neck is, again, a foam roller takes up practically your whole neck, so you're not going to do any kind of crazy movements. Just nice, whatever feels good, up and down, side to side. Just sitting there, opening up your chin is also great. A lot of the day, we spend on computers, so you're looking down at your computer. So you're pressing your chin down and forward. This just, even if you're just sitting there, it gives it nice, it opens everything up. So we're going to move into the lats, your side right here. So you're going to lay down right, you're going to put it kind of right on the middle of your side, and then you're just going to roll your body up and down your side. Again, this is however you feel like you're comfortable with your legs is fine. Same thing, you're going to feel that knot, you're going to sit on it. You can also just sit here. Let's say this is where I feel my knot. You can move your arm side to side also. Again, these are a lot of different small muscles interconnecting. So you can roll side to side if you feel that knot. You can keep rolling up and down. I feel one right there. I'm going to move my arm side to side to really get that muscle, get that connection worked out. I'm going to go side, forward, and back. And I feel that knot loosening up a little bit. So your lats are good. Again, I'm doing one side, so your back is just one, your neck is just one. You want to make sure if I did this side, I did the same thing to the other side. So our deltoids, the upper side of our arm, our shoulder. So same thing, you're just gonna put your arm down. I'm pressing right into my arm, and same thing. You guys get this by now. It's a gentle up and down motion across the whole muscle. When you feel that knot, you sit on it. Again, with the upper body, you rotate side to side. Ooh, I feel that one. You can also rotate the lower part of your arm to get this. All good. We did the left side. We're gonna do the right side. Foam rolling, 30 to 60 seconds, depending on how much time you have, depending on how sore you are, depending on what density foam roller you're using. Higher density, you probably don't need to do it quite as long, but you still want to get a good 30 seconds in. If you can only do it for a couple seconds, you need to downgrade your foam roller a little bit to a softer density. All right, so we did our back, we did our neck, we did our lats, we did our deltoids. Now we're gonna go into the triceps. So now we're gonna extend our arm, come down. We're gonna put that foam roller right in the middle of that upper arm, and you're gonna roll forward and back, rotating the palm up. My palm is facing the ceiling. And same thing like we've been doing, all the way down to the elbow. You're not rolling over your joints, you're going to the elbow. You're rolling all the way up to the armpit. Okay, good 30 to 60 seconds on that side, 60 seconds on this side. So now that's basically the entire upper body. You can get I'm gonna work on our pecs or our chest right now, and that's where I'm gonna take this ball. So you can use this foam roller. It's a little tricky, it's a little awkward. So I'm gonna take this ball and I'm just gonna kind of rub my chest or my pecs. Maybe you did a lot of push-ups the other day. You wanna really loosen this up. I actually did a lot of push-ups the other day, so this is actually, I'm feeling this. If you're not feeling it, you can press against a wall. So I'm not gonna turn my back towards you guys, but let's say you take this ball, you put it where that knot is, and then you push against your upper body against a wall, and you kind of rotate back and forth against the wall. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Like I said in the beginning of this video, foam rolling your upper body, you wanna be gentle, you wanna be fluid, you wanna do wide ranges of motion in all directions. You're gonna do what feels best for your body. If you have any specific questions beyond this video, feel free to email the Freddie Mac Fitness Center. We would love to do a one-on-one with you. We'd love to help you in any way we can. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a fantastic day.